In today's lecture, we will discuss about multiplexers. So multiplexer is basically whenever you are sending data in a single channel, okay, and you have multiple channels. So basically for calibration of that single channel to those multiple channels, you need something, you need some device, okay, so that multiple number of channels you can transmit into a single cable or single channel. Okay. So basically, you already know that multiplexer symbol is this one. Okay, this one here. Like many channels are there, and here single channel is there. Okay. So basically, many input to a single output. Whenever you are doing this type of conversion, okay, this is known as multiplexer. Okay, so multiplexer in short, you are writing as mux also. So if you want to draw 2:1 multiplexer, so you can draw in this way. Okay, here two inputs are there. One is I0, second one is I1, and one output is there, which is Y. Okay, and this is basically 2:1 multiplexer. Okay. So for working of this multiplexer, basically we are having some more lines except these input and output lines. Those lines are basically one is select line. So one is select line, and like this one is S0, and another one is enable line that we are representing with E. So select we are representing with S, and E is enable. And whenever like you want to write truth table, like in what way they will perform, so like you can write the truth table for this one, and the truth table will be at this side your input will be there. So your input in this case, your input is E and S0. So one is your E and another one is your S0, and your output is Y. So what is happening here is whenever like your enable is 0, so if I take enable 0, whatever will be S0, okay, Y will always be 0. Okay. So basically when enable at enable, if you are giving 0, means your multiplexer will not work at all. And it's the second case is when you are giving enable 1, means you are activating this multiplexer. Okay, this multiplexer will work when enable is 1. Okay, then if this select line is 0, then this output is connected to this I0. Okay, so you are getting I0 at your output. If I0 is 0, you will get 0. If I0 is 1, you will get 1. Okay, second case when enable is 1 and S0 is 1, so basically this wire in place of this is will connect here. Okay, virtually you can realize in this way. So basically why you are getting I1. Okay, so you will get I1. If I1 is 0, you will get 0. I1 is 1, you will get 1. So in this way, you can realize 2:1 multiplexer. So this is basically a 2:1 multiplexer, and you can write the expression of this truth table also. Like for writing your expression y, basically, whenever you are writing your expression with the truth table, if there is one, so you are taking that one only. Okay, for writing the expression, because zero will, if you write that zero also in the term of SOP, that term will got neglected. Okay, so what you are doing is you are writing this first one and this second one in the form of SOP. So this will be E S0 bar and I0 plus E S0 into I1. Okay. So this is one way of writing expression for multiplexer. So if like I can take this enable always as one also. If I'm talking about multiplexer, then I can do this the same thing in second way also. In second way means like I can take one multiplexer 2:1 multiplexer, and I can take only one select line which is S0, and I can take I0 and I1 also, and this Y is my output. No need to bother about E enable pin, because enable pin I am taking by default to 1, so that my multiplexer will work. Okay, so if you are taking your circuit in this way, so you need not to bother about this one. Okay, you just need to bother about S0 as your input and Y as your output. Okay, and if you write your expression of Y in this case, that will be your S0 bar I0 plus S0 into I. Okay, in this case you are not bothering about your enable pin. Okay. And this is my mux, which is 2:1 mux. So basically, from this you can analyze two things. If you are taking enable into consideration, you need to write your expression of y in the form of enable pin also in enable pin. If you are not taking enable pin into consideration, then your expression of y will be without that e. And the second thing is you are taking only one select line for two input, because for like if I am taking some select pins, if I am taking only one bit select pin, okay, so one bit means there are two possible combinations, either it can be 0, either it can be 1. Okay, if I am taking 2-bit select pin, 2-bit means either I can take 00, 01, 10 or 11. So there are four possible combinations. So this 2-bit select pin will be useful when I am having four inputs in place of these two inputs. So if I am taking 2-bit select pin, that multiplexer will become 4:1 multiplexer. Okay. Similarly, if I take three select pin, this is for two. This is if I take three select pins, so my total combinations will be 8. Okay. So similarly, if I take n select pins, okay, 2 to the power n representations, various combinations I can write. Okay, so that will be basically if I'm taking n select pin, okay, then my multiplexer will be 2 to the power n is to 1. Okay, this one is basically because I want to multiplex all those input signals to a single output. Okay, and whatever circuit we are going to draw for this one is a combinational circuit. Okay, so remember these things, that whenever you are using n select pins or n select lines, 2 to power n multiplex 2 to power n is to 1 multiplexer will be there. Okay, and you can realize that multiplexer by using an enable also or without using an enable also. It depends upon your choice that what type of circuit you want to read. So if I draw this expression, so you already know that to draw this expression, so first you need one AND gate, second AND gate, and then you need one OR gate for doing the OR operation between these two. So I will take one select, okay, S0, and I will take two AND gate. In one I will give this directly, in another one I will take complement of it. Okay, so when I'm doing complement means for that one I need I0, and for without complement I need I1. So this will be my F0 into I1, and this will be my S0 bar into I0. Then what I need to do, I need to do OR operation between these two. So this will be my expression of Y, which is this.